how to get a car dealer license in Maryland. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a car dealer license in Maryland. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Maryland offers a few types of licenses like new vehicle dealer, used vehicle dealer, wholesale dealer, and motorcycle dealer licenses. Choose the one that best fits your business model. You need a permanent business location that complies with zoning regulations, space to display vehicles, and a sign that includes your business name. Register your business with the Maryland Department of Assessments and Taxation and apply for a federal employer identification number from the IRS. Apply for a sales and use tax license from the Maryland Comptroller's Office. This allows you to collect tax on your vehicle sales. Submit your application through the Maryland MVA with all required documents, including proof of business registration, insurance, and your surety bond. The application fee is usually around $450, but this may vary depending on your license type. Maryland MBA will conduct an inspection of your business location to ensure it meets all state requirements. Once your application is approved and you pass the inspection, you'll receive your Maryland car dealer license and can officially start your dealership. That's all for the video.